Scientists have found a terrestrial planet orbiting Proxima Centauri, the nearest exoplanet to us. This may be the closest exoplanet we will ever discover, as Proxima Centauri is the closest star to the Sun. The discovery raises the question: do we become a multi-planet civilization or not? If we don't, it's simply a matter of time before something happens on Earth that may force us to rethink our place in the cosmos. The billion-dollar telescope, the largest and most powerful in space, captured images that provide valuable insight. Since the dawn of time, humans have wondered if we're alone in the universe. This question still drives scientific studies today. Right now, the James Webb Space Telescope is out there in space, observing different planets and moons to assess if any of them might support alien life. A lot of people now believe that aliens might exist somewhere in the cosmos, waiting for us to discover them. To try and answer this age-old question, two American astronomers, Jill Tarter and Thomas Pearson, started a project in 1984 called the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI. They set up a non-profit to listen for radio waves from space, as these waves can travel far without getting lost or absorbed. This is why they use the Allen Telescope Array in the California mountains, which includes 42 radio telescopes dedicated to this purpose. Despite over 30 years of searching, SETI has not found any definitive radio signals from aliens. However, Jill Tarter remains hopeful, believing that today's technology may finally reveal something extraordinary. She even hopes that everyone on Earth will join in the search for cosmic company. Recently, there's been a buzz as NASA reported that the James Webb Space Telescope might have detected city-like lights on a planet not too far from Earth. The JWST, our best tool for space exploration, is stationed 1 million miles away from Earth, sending back detailed information about the universe's oldest regions. It's specially designed to reveal previously unseen details, helping us understand how galaxies, stars, and planets form. Astronomers rely on the telescope's advanced technology, such as its sharp camera and unique filters, to study the colors around stars and planets and to gather data on their physical and chemical compositions. By capturing specific wavelengths of light, the Webb telescope isn't just observing. It's actively searching the atmospheres of other planets for hints of life. Its unprecedented ability to look through space and time has already led to mind-blowing discoveries, like finding more mass in the universe than previously thought, hidden in massive galaxies. These findings have made scientists reconsider some of their theories on how the universe started and developed. With each new discovery, the JWST drives us further in our quest to understand life beyond Earth. Humanity is now using the JWST to explore space like never before. It's helping gather information on distant worlds, providing new insights that could answer big questions about these planets. Just 20 years ago, we knew very little about planets outside our solar system. Since then, astronomers have found over 4,000 exoplanets orbiting distant stars, showing how far our curiosity and technology can reach. NASA believes these discoveries are only the beginning and that there are likely trillions of exoplanets waiting to be found. Scientists have not given up their exploration, hoping to find places where alien life might exist. Occasionally, they get hints suggesting they're on the right path. For instance, the Galileo spacecraft's visit to Jupiter revealed a sign that could indicate plant life. This was a significant breakthrough, as it was the first detection of a biosignature called the vegetation red edge (VRE), which shows life by analyzing how light reflects off it. Using this VRE method, the James Webb Space Telescope is ready to uncover more about life in space, mapping the orbits of planets that could be just right for life. Picture this: sunlight travels through atmospheric layers, breaking into different wavelengths, which atoms and molecules in those layers absorb. This process creates a spectral signature, a unique fingerprint that we can read using a technique called spectroscopy. Many scientists believe that when a planet is bathed in starlight, the Webb telescope can capture that light as it filters into the atmosphere. This insight suggests that the JWST could be the missing link in understanding the atmospheres of distant planets. Planets similar in size to Earth often have atmospheres made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and oxygen, which could support life. However, the presence or absence of rare compounds might hint at different forms of life or even advanced civilizations. Take chlorofluorocarbons, CFCs, for instance. These human-made chemicals are used for cooling in fridges and various industries. If the JWST detects these synthetic chemicals in a distant planet's atmosphere, it would be solid evidence of intelligent life beyond our solar system. Such a discovery would open a whole new frontier for astronomers, allowing them to explore other planets' atmospheres and possibly even civilizations far beyond. Thinking about life beyond Earth opens up all kinds of possibilities that go way beyond what we see and experience in terms of biology right here at home. Often we imagine life needing a nice mild climate to thrive, but the reality could be far more varied and extreme. Take extremophiles for instance. These are mostly bacterial life forms that toss our usual ideas of what makes a place livable right out the window. These tough critters manage to survive and even thrive in conditions that would seem downright apocalyptic to other life forms. They can handle boiling hot temperatures of up to 250 degrees Fahrenheit and can even thrive in superacidic conditions where the pH dips below 3. Their very existence is a powerful reminder of how resilient life can be, even under the most intense and unforgiving conditions. As the search for life-supporting worlds takes new turns, the possibility of finding life in unexpected places challenges what we know about the universe. Given this, the vastness and diversity of space suggest that our search for life out there has to be broad and comprehensive. Planets that look a lot like Earth and orbit stars similar to our Sun are great places to start this kind of research, but it's also important to keep an open mind and consider less typical scenarios, like exploring exoplanets that orbit red dwarf stars, which are quite common across the universe. Even though these stars aren't as bright or warm as our Sun, they offer unique settings to explore life's potential in varied environments. The longer lifespan of red dwarf stars also allows plenty of time for the slow, intricate processes involved in the evolution of life to play out. Take the TRAPPIST-1 system for example. It features a dim red dwarf star and 7 rocky planets, much like Earth, orbiting around it. Out of these, 3 are thought to be in the habitable zone, which means they could have liquid water on their surfaces. Despite being smaller and cooler than the Sun that warms our Earth, the TRAPPIST-1 star emits a gentle light that could support life. By studying the light emitted by this star, scientists hope to unlock clues about the living conditions that might exist within the TRAPPIST-1 planetary system. After thorough research, the JWST discovered that this particular star is about 41 light-years away from us, located in the constellation of Leo, a promising spot for further investigation. Ward Howard, a NASA Sagan Fellow and the leading researcher on this study from the University of Colorado Boulder, couldn't hide his excitement about these discoveries. He mentioned that, thanks to the JWST, this is the first time we've had the ability to look for planets around other stars that have secondary atmospheres similar to what we have around Earth. He stressed how crucial it is to understand these stars to really grasp what's going on with their planets. Among all the stars scattered across the cosmos, Proxima Centauri truly stands out due to its proximity. It's only about 4.25 light-years away from the Sun, making it the closest star to Earth. This star emits only a faint glow, which is tough to spot in the dark night sky from our planet. Its dimness means any potentially habitable planets would need to orbit much closer than Earth does to the Sun to keep conditions right for life. Back on August 24, 2016, astronomers stumbled upon something truly fascinating. A planet with 1.3 times the mass of Earth, perfectly positioned within the habitable zone of Proxima Centauri. This zone strikes just the right balance of light, enough to melt ice and potentially give life a foothold. Proxima b, a captivating planet that orbits the small red star known as Proxima Centauri, is situated a mere 4.6 million miles from its star. This close proximity subjects it to a variety of hazards that might make it difficult for life to thrive there. One major challenge is the intense solar winds from Proxima Centauri, which are powerful enough to potentially strip the planet of its atmosphere. However, despite these harsh conditions, Proxima b receives sufficient sunlight from its star, keeping the planet warm enough to maintain liquid water, a crucial ingredient for life as we know it. The close orbit of Proxima b around its star also results in a phenomenon called tidal locking. This means that one side of the planet always faces the star, receiving continuous sunlight, while the other side remains in constant darkness. This unique situation creates a stark contrast between the two hemispheres. One could be basking in perpetual daylight, while the other could be frozen in an eternal night. This is somewhat similar to the relationship between Earth and the Moon, where the same side of the Moon always faces Earth. Despite the relatively small size of Proxima Centauri, it is still capable of emitting enough light and heat to potentially support an environment that could host life, not unlike conditions here on Earth. Are these strange city-like lights on Proxima Centauri be a sign of advanced alien life, or could there be another explanation we haven't considered yet? What do you think is the truth behind this discovery? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.